Hey, what's up, my friends? I got an exciting announcement to make. The DHS microsite is live. That's right. That means that not only associates, but now, for the first time ever, customers can actually go to your Trinot website and they can order the DHS kit, the Daily Health System. Now, in this training video, this is for associates, I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to walk someone through how to order the DHS kit from you. And there's also a special link. I'm going to show you how that link works, what your link is to be able to send someone directly to this page. Now, before I show you how to do that, let's actually take a look at the page. So this is the DHS microsite. We're on it here. It's now public and open to the whole world to see. And what's great about this page is that it isn't going to distract people with anything else. It's only going to talk about the Daily Health System, and you can see here that it has lots of great information on here. So when people ask me, Aaron, tell me about DHS. What is it? What am I going to do? Boom, I'm going to send them right here. Now, I'm also still going to send them to this website as well. It's a page that I built. It's dailyhealthsystemkit.com, because this page has videos on it, and I love to share videos with prospects. So when somebody wants to learn more about DHS, I'm actually first going to send them here. This is my step one before I send them to the microsite. I'm going to say, hey, great questions. I know you want to learn more about DHS, activate, transform. First thing I need you to do is go here. Go to this website, dailyhealthsystemkit.com. They can't join from here. It's just a generic link that anyone can use. And when they go here, guess what they're going to find? Videos, powerful videos. Here's a brand new video that was just put out from corporate. It's phenomenal. It's only 1 minute, so it's a really hot sizzle video that you can send or show from this page so people can learn about Activate and DHS. And this page has other videos and other information as well as testimonies, right? That's one of the most powerful parts is the testimonies. And so we have testimonies on this page. Step two, when they're ready to order, is bam, send them to your microsite. So this microsite has the information from corporate. They're going to keep this page updated with all of the most up-to-date information about DHS as well. So when you send someone here to your link, to your microsite link, guess what they can do? They can order. They just click right here on Buy Now, and this is where they'll be purchasing from you. Go right here to this link and join as a customer and order directly from you. Now, when they click on Buy Now, it's going to give them some more information about DHS, and a lot of people say, well, where are the ingredients? They're right here. So let me just back up and show you where that was again. When you're on the microsite and you click on Buy Now, you'll see these images. And if you go to this one, it's going to pop open the actual ingredients of both Transform and Activate. So this is where you find that. And then the options, and this may change, but at the time of this recording, it's going to default to a 3-pack. I'm going to recommend everyone order a 3-pack because why? One's not enough. I mean, my wife and I, we're like every day battling back and forth. She's like, you can't have any of my Activate. You need to buy your own. So you may encounter that same problem at your house as well. So I always tell people, get the 3-pack. Now, are you getting a discount if you order a 3-pack? Yes and no. The actual price of the product is the same, but you're going to save on shipping. So you are saving money in the long run if you order more than one, because the price to purchase a single for shipping is the same shipping to get a 3-pack. So just keep that in mind. There is a maximum as well. If you click on single, if you want to get more than 3, you can change this drop down to 5, and you can actually get up to 5. That's the maximum per order. That would save you the most on shipping because it's the same price on shipping, which is really cool. Now here's another one. When you're on the buy page, the page where you actually make the purchase, I want you to scroll down and look what you're going to find here. Frequently asked questions. I am not an encyclopedia of answering a million questions. That's just me. You may love to have all the answers. What I love to do is tell people where they can go find the answer. So no matter what the question is, if somebody's asking me about the DHS, about Transform, about Activate, I say, oh, it's a great question. Go here to this link. Click on Buy Now, so you have to click right here, Buy Now. Scroll down, and you're going to find the FAQs. Read through the FAQs because it's going to answer all your questions. Bam! See how simple that is. Use the tool, let the expert, being the website, do the explaining for you, as well as this website as well, dailyhealthsystemkit.com, because this is going to have a lot of information as well for your prospect. All right, now let's talk about the 2 different ways that you can actually get someone to your website to make sure that you are getting credit for the sale. The first and most simple way is you're just going to simply send someone to tranat.com/your username. Okay? If you don't know what your username is, shame on you. I'm just kidding, but you should know that. And in my opinion, you should never send someone to just tranat.com and have them try to join, because then they got to enter in your name or your ID number. And guess what that does? That leaves room for error. Don't do that. You send someone to a link. When they click on a link, it's going to have your name at the top right of the website, so they can see that they're ordering from you and they don't have to enter in your name or your ID number or anything. So it's just tranat.com/your username, and that username is going to be available to you. If you don't know what that is, just log into your web office, your back office, and on your homepage, it'll have your username. Now, when you send someone to that link, tranat.com/username, all they have to do is go right here, click on Daily Health System. They click right there, and that takes them to the microsite, and that is where they will be able to order DHS right from you. That's the first way. Now, the second way is actually sending a direct link to the microsite, and you have your own link to be able to do that. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to have it pop up on the screen here. You have to make sure that you copy this exactly, because if it's not done perfectly, the link won't work, and then you will not get credit for the sale. And I'm going to encourage that you test your link before you send it out to someone. I'm going to explain how to do that. So here's what the link looks like. It is daily-health-system, and then you have a question mark, and then you have share equals your username. You put in your Tranat username in that link, and then you're going to copy the link just like this. You highlight the link and you hit copy, and then you send it to someone. So they just click on the link and it will take them right here. You can send it to them as a text message, as an email, as a Facebook message on Messenger, however you want. They click the link, it takes them right to your page, and it will have your name at the top right. Now, the best way to properly test this is actually to open your browser into what's called an incognito, or a private browser. If you're not sure how to do that, just look it up on your device. You can do it on your cell phone, you can do it on your computer. In a private browser, you will then paste that link. And when you do that, that will show you and confirm by clearing all the cookies and anything that's saved on your computer, and it will have your name at the top right. As long as you see your name at the top right when you do it this way, then you know that you've done it correctly, and that is the right link that you can use. Now, there is one more little cool thing that I recommend. It's what I do, and that is getting a domain name. For like, $12 a year, you can purchase a domain name through GoDaddy. The domain center that I use is this one. It's officialdomaincenter.com. And just find a domain name. So let me show you the one that I've used. And I actually have a training that will pop up at the end of this video on the screen on YouTube, or you can go into the description of this video for that training, and it'll actually walk you through how to redirect your domain name, meaning your microsite, how to redirect that link with your domain name, so that you just simply give someone the domain and it will, bam, automatically redirect them to your microsite. So here's just an example. I have transformwithactivate.com. Pretty cool domain, right? And we have others as well. And I don't want this to be confusing or think that you have to go buy a bunch of domains, because you don't. That just complicates things. Just keep it simple. Get a domain, something that's short, something that's easy to spell, and watch this. When someone goes to transformwithactivate.com, I'm just gonna click enter. Bam, did you see that? It automatically redirects to our link to the microsite, directly. Now, do you have to get a domain name? No, don't. When everyone's saying, oh, Aaron Parker said I have to go buy a domain name. No, you don't. I'm just letting you know what I do to keep it simple so there's no room for error and they can just click on the domain and boom, it redirects them to our link. But you don't have to get a domain. You can just send people directly to your microsite or to turnout.com/username and they can click on Daily Health System. But what is important is that you now know that DHS is live. It has launched officially to the world, and guess what? Everybody's going to get their hands on this. The question is, are they going to be ordering it from you or from someone else? So let that create a fire under you right now. Get the word out. Go tell the world. And let's get excited about blowing up DHS. If you have any questions about anything I've covered in this video, drop a comment on this video on YouTube. If you got some value, drop a like, drop a comment, share this with your team so they can get this training as well, and be sure to subscribe so that you're notified the next time we put out another training for you, and click that bell so that you are first to get the notification on future trainings. Thanks for watching. See you at the next event.